My people, today we don't start our pot. Oh, we want to cook jambalaya rice. So una go ask, say which one be this one again? She don't come again, no. But this rice, it is so sweet. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. Hope you guys are doing okay. Where I dey okay. If you follow me for the first time, oh, I say thank you very much. If you don't follow me since too, I say thank you very much. Oh, you people, make una just dey like, make una just dey share my video so I go fit dey come. Today we dey prepare jambalaya rice. Just sit down, carry popcorn, make you see how I take prepare this rice. So for this jambalaya rice, we go use chicken, and na chicken breast we go use because chicken breast dey soft and it dey easy to cook. So before we go use am, we go season am first, make it for dey sweet. So for our seasoning, I dey use pepper, I dey use ginger, I dey use garlic, I dey use curry, thyme, and then I dey use salt. So I go mix everything together, and I go come pour am for inside the chicken breast. So you see as I dey do am now, so that the chicken e go sweet well. See, I don combine everything together. Now I go come mix am like this. I go come keep am for some time, make e rest. So I don do this one finish, I will come bring in our shrimps wey we go use. So this na our shrimps wey we go use. I go come see season am like this so that the thing go dey sweet well. So this na the pepper and tomatoes wey we go use. I go come chop am coarsely. I no go blend am smooth, but if you want to blend your own smooth, you can blend am to be so smooth. So now you see say I don put my pan for fire. I will come put in some cooking oil. I will come fry the shrimp, I will come fry the chicken breast. So my people, the oil don hot, I will come put in our hot dog. We can go use hot dog for this. You see, I know season this one because it don't get salt already. Now all these things they make them, they call this rice jambalaya rice. So I will come fry am until go fry well. So you go fry the hot dog, make it fry well. You see my thing there now, the thing don't fry, so I go bring them out. Okay. So my people, this now the chicken breast, we will come fry them too, make it fry well, and then make it very soft. When one side fry, you turn am, the other side go fry well. So guys, after 3 minutes frying on one side, I can't come back. I say make I come turn am again, make the chicken done well, because we go see add am into the pot of rice again. So you get to later make it done well, so that it go dey soft and so tender. So my people, after 3 minutes again, the other side done, I go come bring them out. So you start the day, the thing done. For inside the same oil, you go come pour in your prawn or your shrimps. You know, say this one no dey take time to dey fry you. So you just fry and sharp, then you go bring them out. Una say the shrimps done turn to pink now, it done, so I go come comot am. You can use prawn, you can use shrimps for this one. I don comot am, I no go change the oil for the pot. I go just add in some more oil. We go begin dey cook. You see all this other flavor wey dey inside, the thing go come dey more flavorful. So now I go add in some more cooking oil, make it for we just cook the jambalaya rice. So inside the same oil now, I go bring in my chopped onions, allow them to fry. As they fry, I go come add in some garlic. Allow them to fry very well. So as you don't fry like this, I will come bring in tomato paste. This one dey very important too. So you go add them this na tomato paste. You go come cook am, make all those sour taste, make it comot. So the tomato paste don dey okay now. You go come add in the coarsely blended tomatoes and pepper. So as e come dey now, you go come cover the pot, then make e dey cook. So as the stew dey cook for fire, you go come wash your rice. This na our local Nigerian rice. I take dey cook this jambalaya rice. So you can use long grain, you can use jasmine rice, but you know say we get to patronize our country now, so I dey use our Nigeria rice. So you go wash am now, make the water run clear. You see all the dirty wey dey for the rice now, e go come out. You go wash am until you no see any dirty again. At least you go wash am like 4 times. When the water don run clear, you know say the rice don dey okay before you go come go put am for fire make e dey cook. So na say our tomatoes don done. So now wetin I go do be say I go add in our seasoning, I go add in curry, I go add in chicken spice, I go add meat spice for inside. I go come stir am. When I stir am, I go come add in chicken stock. But if you no get chicken stock, you can add water inside. So now this na my chicken stock wey I dey add. I go still add am more water so that e go reach to take cook the food wey we dey cook. So now I go add in some salt. You no go too add am salt because of all the seasoning wey you don dey put since, make you no go over spice the rice. Now I go bring in the seasoning cube. You go use chicken seasoning or any seasoning wey you dey like. So I go come turn am very well. Then at this point I go add in some water because that water no go reach us to cook the rice. So you go come add in water like this. So my people, if by this time you never subscribe to my channel and you dey hear my voice for the first time, abeg make you subscribe to my channel, make you dey like am, make you dey share am. I dey for Port Harcourt, I dey share recipes. Abeg una. So you go test am now for salt, make you know that you go add more salt to this one. Okay, now the salt is okay. So I go come bring in the rice when I don wash well. So this na the rice. I go come pour in the rice. At this time, man, my people, the aroma for my kitchen is so amazing. I don't know how I go tell you now. You no get broken English language na amazing what I go fit use for this one. My neighbor don dey ask now, say wetin they cook for this house. So now you go come cook this rice for the next 30 minutes. You go cook am on low heat, make it dey done or make it dey cook slowly. So my people, after 30 minutes wey we don dey cook this rice for low heat, this na wetin we get. Our rice don done. So I go come turn everything, make everything combine together very well. I go come pour in our chicken breast, then I'll come pour in the sausage. You see jambalaya rice don set. E don set, e no pass like this. Then I will come pour in the shrimps wey we get. I go come combine everything together, make una ready una plate make una see am. So guys, make una help me make una share this video, make una like the video. If you never subscribe, abeg make you subscribe make una dey like, make we reach promised land. So I go come pour in small yellow corn. Then I go add in some spring onions, which is so important for this our rice. Then when I stir and finish, our rice done. Now to serve and enjoy jambalaya rice. E done ready. Una know say as the thing fine for eye, this no be jollof rice. So my friend say, but this na jollof rice now. I say no, this no be jollof rice. E wan look like jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice, but no be Nigerian jollof rice. See am now. You see how the rice fine for eye like this. Jambalaya rice, e done ready. Bring your plate, serve and enjoy. Guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next. Bye bye.